Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Before you start, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10mm socket to prevent shorts. Wear nitrile gloves and eye protection to prevent skin oils and debris from reaching the bulb and to protect your eyes. Confirm the exact bulb type in the owner's manual. Many Audi A4s use H7 halogen or D3 xenon, and lay out a flat screwdriver, 10mm socket, and replacement bulb. Access can be from the engine bay or through the wheel arch. For wheel arch access, turn the front wheel fully outward and remove plastic fasteners with a flat screwdriver. Loosen the 10mm bolt if present and pull back the liner about 3-5 inches to reveal the headlight housing. If accessing from the top, remove the plastic trim clips and the 1 or 2 screws holding the trim. Lift the cover to expose the rear of the headlamp. Keep clips and screws in a small tray to avoid loss and note orientation of any seals. Reach the back of the headlight assembly, locate the retaining spring or twist lock connector, and release it by pressing and rotating counterclockwise. Carefully unplug the wiring harness, then remove the old bulb. Do not touch the glass surface. Insert the new bulb by its plastic base only, seat it fully, and resecure the spring or twist the connector clockwise until it locks. Refit trim or liner, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on low and high beams to test function, and check alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.